My wishes to every aspirant. You may contact us for offline as well as online classes across India. Thank you. This is the presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy about CSAT paper. Right. A paper-by cycles 10 kilometers east. Okay. A paper-by cycles 10 kilometers east, turns south and cycles 3 kilometers, then turns west and cycles 6 kilometers, then turns to his right and cycles 3 kilometers. Where is he now with reference to his starting position? We solved good number of questions yesterday in the previous class. Just try to solve it. Let's see that. Let's see that. Okay, directions. So we have to put plus mark. Let us put plus mark here. What is this? A paper-by cycles 10 kilometers east, rightward, 10 kilometers. Then turns south downwards. Cycles 3 kilometers. This is 10. Put small. See the size of the arrow mark. And turns west to the left. And cycles 6 kilometers. This is 10 kilometers. 6 kilometers, it says that. This is 6. Right. Now it means this 6. And then turns to his right. Right, it means upward direction. And cycles 3 kilometers. This is 3. It means you can bring this arrow mark till here. This is 6, then this is 4. Where is he now with reference to his starting point? This is the starting point. 4 kilometers east. That's the thing. Okay, directions is one of the easiest one. Right. Next. A man cycles 7 kilometers east. 7 kilometers east. Right. Turns south and cycles 12 kilometers. Then turns west, cycles 7. 7 means we have to reach here parallel way. Then turns to his left. Downward. Okay. I think the space is not sufficient. We put one more. This is the starting point, 7 kilometers east and 12 kilometers south. This is 12 south and cycle 7 kilometers west and cycle and turns left downward 10 kilometers. This is 10. Where is he now with reference to his starting position? In which direction is south? What is the distance you can take? 12 plus 10, 22. 22 kilometers south. That's right. Next, a man is facing west. A man is facing west. He turns 45 degree, that is actually not 450, 45 degree. 45 degree is equals to one direction. 45 degree is equals to one direction. 90 degree is equals to two directions. And multiples of 45. 135 degree is equals to three direction. 180 degree is equals to four directions. Or opposite also, exactly the opposite also. Now we can 45 degree in the clockwise like that. Okay, so like you can take clockwise direction, and then another 180 degree in the same direction, clockwise. 180 means exactly opposite, whether it's a clockwise, whether it's a anti-clockwise, and then 270 degree anti-clockwise. This is 180, this is 45, 225, one more direction. It's like that. And which direction is he facing now? South, west. This is south, this is west. This is direction is first, southwest. Southwest, option D. This is the option. Next, if you are facing northeast, and move 10 meters forward, turn left, is like left, and move 7.5 meters, 7.5 meters, then you are in which direction you are? That is north. See, the north of your initial position, like that. Okay, so this is the Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle, you can see.
So if northeast and another option, which suits, sir? Northeast or north?
This is northeast.
Yes,
This is northeast.
when it turns,
Is a turn means you can say
out of that, which we should prefer, sir? Northeast or north?
which one. This is north, like
We should prefer north.
north.
In option, if it is the northeast also north only.
Yes, because you are going in northeast, then turn left. Left turn means, see, this is I am standing. Left turn means 90 degree left. 45 degree left means left hand. This is 45. This is 90 degree left. It's like that. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem. This is again. Okay. Right. Next. What is the north of that? The Kailas faces towards north. Kailas faces towards north. Turning to his right. It means like this. We can take. Turning to his right. He walks 25 meters. He then turns to his left, upward, and walks 30 meters. This is 30. Next, he moves 25 meters to his right. He then turns his right downward again and walks 55. Till here is 30. This is 30, 55. One more arrow mark, make it, let us see, 25. He then turns to his right. Right means for us is a left. Again and walks 55. This is 25. And 55 means this is 50 and this is another 5.
So 40 no, sir.
Then again walks,
Finally, it turns to his right and moves 40 meters.
No, it's right and again 55. It turns to his right. One more is there. It turns to his right upward direction and moves 40 meters. 40 means this is 25. Okay. See, Now we can
Right.
something.
1
No, this is a
2 times you can.
facing north. Okay, turning to his right. Turning to his right. He walks 25 meters. This is 25. Okay. He then turns to his left.
Upwards.
Upwards. No?
30 meters.
Left walks 30 meters. This is 30.
And then 25.
He moves 25 to his right. To his right. He then turns to his right. Again walks 55. This is 30. This is 25. This is 30, 55 totally.
Now he turns
Finally, he turns to the right. For us is left.
40 meters.
40 meters, yes. This is 25.
50.
Another 15. This is 25. Somewhere you can bring approximately, we can draw here. Now it's 40. He reaches here. This is the starting point. In which direction is he now from his starting point? Southeast, isn't it? Southeast.
Sir, if he was 20 and the southeast only now, sir.
That's all, that's all.
If it marks
Except it's a straight.
then only south.
Is understandable, that is. Okay, understandable. We can't do anything like that. Okay, yes. Because this is the latest pattern questions, all this is. Concepts I have taken. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south. 6. It means this is 4. And he walks 3 kilometers towards east. This is 3. In which direction is he with reference to starting point? This is the starting point. This is the right angle triangle. It's a Pythagoras theorem. 3, 4. It means this is will be 5. It means Pythagoras theorem rule is this what? Like that. Yes. Like A, B, C. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So proving root AB square plus root BC square is equals to root AC square. Root AB square is what? 3 square plus root BC square is what? 4 square. Let us see that. Root 9 plus root 16 is equals to what? Root 9 plus 16 is equals to question mark. Root 25 is equals to 5. So that is a 5. Okay. And 3 is a 4 means it's a 5 like that. That's a Pythagoras. See the directions also there is a possibility of asking questions like this also. Pythagoras based.
Sir, root AB square. That is AB square plus BC square.
Root AC square, this is 5.
Formula just to AB square plus BC.
This is a formula.
Root bರುತ್ತೆ sir.
Oh, that's a formula is like that.
Sir, root ಬಂದ್ರೆ square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir.
No, there are 2 roots, sir. There are 2 is there. There are 2 is there. Then how do you do that? If it is only one term, you can like there are 2 terms here. If there is only one term, if it is like this AB square root AC square, then it is cancelled. Root also gets cancelled. But there are 2 terms here. There is a fixed formula. This is it's like that. Pythagoras theorem. That's why Pythagoras triplets on it is being known. Now we can see. Now Johnson left for his office in his car. He drove 15 kilometers towards north. 15 kilometers towards north. And then 10 kilometers west. 10 kilometers west. Then turned to his south and covered 5 kilometers. This is 15. Further he turned to the east, moved 8. This is 10. This is 8. Like approximately we can mark and moved 8 kilo. He turned right and drove 10 kilometers. 10 kilo. This is the 5 now. 10 means exactly comes here. Right. How far, in which direction is he from his starting point? This is the starting point.
2 kilometers.
West, 2 kilometers. Is it 2? 2 kilometers west. It's like that. Okay. Yes. Next. Now a river flows west to east. A river flows west to east like that. And on the way it turns left and goes in a semicircle round hillock, and then turns left at right angle. In which direction is finally river flowing? East. That is the east, like that. Now you just solve this question now. I think this question is based on the Pythagoras triplets,
Yes, sir.
I believe.
3 kilometers east.
Now, a villager went to meet his uncle. A villager went to meet his uncle in another village situated 5 kilometers in the northeast. 5 kilometers in the northeast direction of his own village. Right. From there, he came to meet his father-in-law living in a village situated 4 kilometers in the south. This is 4. The south of his uncle's village. How far away and in what direction is he now? Right. Pythagoras theorem, very simple. This is okay. 3 kilometers east. 3 kilometers east, like that. See, questions looks very big. Now you go north, turn right, then right again, and then go to the left. In which direction are you now? It means, because measurements are not given in the question, when you draw the arrow mark, you should draw the same size of the arrow mark in all the directions. And you go north. You go north. Turn right. Right again. Turn right. Same size you have to draw. When it is possible, this is when no direction is given. Measurements are not provided. Again, right again. Right again. Go to the left. For us is right. In which direction are you now?
East.
East. That is the thing. Now, Maya starts at point T, walks straight to point U. Maya starts at point T. This is the T. T, walks straight to point. Straight means you can draw in any direction. But normally I suggest everyone that to go north. That is easy for us like that. Straight. Point U. This is U. Which is 4 feet away. Okay, this is 4 feet away. She turns left at 90 degree. 90 degree. She turns left at 90 degree. Okay. And walks to W, which is 4 feet away. Which is 4 feet away. Turns 90 degree right. 90 right. And goes 3 feet to P. This is 3 feet to, this is P.
4 particular.
P.
UW distance 4.
This is W I written. This is
4. Distance.
P. Then turns 90 degree right, walks 1 feet. 90 right, walks 1 feet. Q. This is Q. Turns left 90 degree and goes to V, which is 1 feet. This is V. V. and once again turns 90 degree right, goes to R, or 3 feet away. This is 4, this is 1, exactly comes here, this is 3. What is the distance between T and R? This is R. T under, what is the distance between T and R? 4 plus 4 plus, this is 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. It means what? 8 kilometers, 8 feet. It's like that. Now, A walks 10 meters in front. Front means what? In any direction you can take. I will take, it's a north. 10 feet in front. And walks 10 meters to the right. 10 meters to the right. Then every time turning to his left. Every time turning to all lefts only. 5, 15 and 15. Left. Left means what? This is 5. Again is a left. 15 and 15. This is 10. 15 he says that this one. This is 10 and this is 5. Again 15 left. One more left.
Exactly down.
So the parallelly it comes here like that. How far is he now from his starting point?
5.
That is 5. That's 5 meters. Option A. So like that. Now you try and solve now this one.
You can complete till
Ah.
I think it will complete fast.
This last question.
No. Still just I think just 10 more questions are there, sir. Complete soon, sir. Directions questions, no.
Here is started fully.
Yes. Direction questions are ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವನು ಎವ್ರಿಡೇ 30 questions ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Now, okay, whatever it is that finish it.
Alright, so when we complete this
Yes. We'll complete it.
I think by another 20 minutes we will complete.
Otherwise, sufficient question this is. Leave it. You can solve it and finish it. X and Y start moving towards each other from 2 places 200 meters apart. X and Y start moving from each other's, like X walks like this, Y walks like this. This is 200 meters apart. After walking 60 meters, we do not know the information. After walking 60 meters, Y turns left. Is it this 60 meters which is related to the Y? That's information which is related to Y. After walking 60 meters Y, 60 meters means, let us bifurcate this is 100 and this is 100, cut this. And 60 meters, somewhere like that you can mark. This is 60 meters. Y comes like this till here.
Left.
And left goes 20 meters. Left 20 meters you can take. Then he turns right. For us is a left. Walks 40 meters. This is 40. 60. This is 40. Exactly. He comes here. Okay. And he then turns right upward direction and comes back to the main road. This is Y. Y comes here. If X and Y walks with the same speed, it means distance X equals to Y. What is information of Y? 60 plus 20, this is 40. This is 40 plus 20. This is the thing. X equals 80, 100, 140. X also walks 140. Then X 100, this is 40 here. It means X comes here. This is the X.
40 meters.
Then what is the distance between them now. It's exactly 40. It's like that. That is information which has been provided in that. Now, of the 5 villages, P, Q, S, R and T, P, Q, R, S and T situated close to each other. Situated close to each other means you have to show this distance, equal distance everywhere, that is. P is to the west of Q. You should read how you read Kannada, Telugu like that. P is to the west of Q. How do you write? P is to the west of Q. First you have to write the Q. To the west of Q. This is P. This is how you should write. Even blood relations we are supposed to take. P is to the west of Q. First you have to write Q. Then west of Q, it is known. R is to the south of P. R is to the south of P. South of P is like R. South of P. And T is to the north of Q. North of Q. Like this is T. And S is to the east of T. East of T. This is S. Then R is in which direction? With reference to S. With reference to S. South.
West.
Southwest. Southwest. Okay. This is south. This is west. This is southwest. Southwest. It's like this. Now, Ravi wants to go to the university. Ravi wants to go to the university. He starts from his house, which is in the east. Okay. This is a home, which is in the east, and comes to a crossing, the road to the left ends in a theatre. This is the theatre. Straight ahead is hospital. And in which direction is the university? Only one direction is left, is what? North. That is a north. So that logic only you have to put it like this. There are 4 direction crossing.
Dead end hospital, south dead end theatre.
Yes.
Then only to the north university.
That is only the vacant. Only you can say that is a north, is a university. Now, the post office is to the east of school. The post office is to the east of school. First you have to write school. East of school. This is the post office. While my house is to the south of the school. South of the school. House. School. The market is to the north of the post office. North of the post office. If the distance of the market from the post office, if the distance is market from the post office is equal to the distance of my house from the school. Okay, that's why we have put, when the measurements are not provided, you have to draw equal size of arrow marks of my house from the school. Which direction is the market? Which direction is the market with reference to my school? Northeast. Is it like that? That is a northeast. Now, if southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will east become? Then what you have to do, right? You have to draw like directions you have to draw. This is north, south, east, west. This is north, east. This is northwest. This southeast and southwest. This is the original direction. If southeast becomes north, southeast becomes north, north. Northeast becomes west, northeast becomes west, and so on. You have to do the process. Okay, anyway, let us take, you can keep north is a starting point, north is here. After, if you come a clockwise direction, after north which will come? Northeast. You can assume this is northeast. After northeast was east. After east, southeast. After southeast, south. After south, southwest. After southwest, after southwest, west. West is already there now. After west, northwest. Right, it's done. What will west become? West becomes southeast. It's like that. It's a thing that is. Okay, but you have to draw that and see that. That's the easier one. A watch reads 4:30. A watch reads 4:30. You have to draw a watch. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. A watch reads 4:30. 4:30. 30 means minutes hand will show 6. 4:30, our hand will between 4 and 5. So 45 degree now. If the minute hand points east, if the minute hand points east, if the minute hand point east, then our hand point 45 degree anti-clockwise. What will happen here? This is east, this is east, anti-clockwise. What will happen anti-clockwise? This becomes northeast. This is the northeast. It's like that. Anti-clockwise, you have to see that, anti-clockwise. Right, what is the northeast? Northeast, like. Now, it is 3 o'clock in a watch. It is 3 o'clock in a watch. 12, 6, this is 3, this is 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 3 o'clock in a watch. Minute hand will show like, so I think 90 degree angle. Okay. If the minute hand points towards northeast, if it is shows northeast, then our hand point west, 2 direction. After northeast, what happens now? This is a northeast,
Southwest.
this is east, southeast. So this is the southeast. So southeast is the option, like that you have to see that. Next, a clock is so placed that at 12 noon. A clock is placed at 12 noon. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 noon. Minute hand will point like the 12 noon. Its minute hand points towards northeast. Minute hand points at northeast. Northeast. In which direction does our hand point at 1:30? Our hand point at 1:30. 1:30 means our hand will show like this. So one direction, 45 degree of northeast. 45 degree of northeast what? East. It's like that. Okay. Yes. Next. Okay. This is a man is performing yoga with his head down and legs up. His face is towards the west. In which direction? It's a reverse direction you have to take, because he is standing upside down. Because that is a man is performing yoga with his head down. When down means what happens? No, reverse way you can take.
North will be down.
That's all. Just opposite direction you have to take. His face is towards the west. His face is towards the west. West opposite is what?
East.
East. You can take, say, east. Like that. That's the thing. Yeah, okay. But in which direction will his left hand be? Okay. So if I take if I am standing like this, okay, this is left hand. This is my left, this is right hand. What left hand is shows what here? West. West means again same thing, east only it will come. Either way you can take it. A man is performing yoga, okay, with his head down, okay, keep that with his head down, let us see that after it, and legs up. His face is towards west. This is, I am facing west like that. I am facing west now, because I am facing west now, because this is a, I am facing west now. So this is my left hand, this is my right hand, okay.
Left hand is towards south.
My left hand is towards south then, okay, then south. If I stand upside down, that reverse will come. It means south becomes what? North, I think that is. I think north. What is the option? Is north, no? That's right. North is like that. Yes, one morning after the sunrise, Rita and Kavita were talking to each other face to face. Okay, leave this question. There is an error in the. I have to remove this question. Okay. I have not seen this. The question has been removed from the question bank. Right. If southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will west become? Now we do it now. This is north, south, north, east, east, south, east, southwest, west, northwest. If southeast becomes north, southeast becomes north, okay, and northeast becomes west, and so on. You have to do like this. After north is what? I think we have done this question, no? This repeated question, yes. Anyway, we do it like this. Now after north is what? This is northeast. This is east. This is east. After east is what? Southeast, and south, and southwest. After southwest is what? West. Okay, west. This is northeast. Okay, this is, I think question is repeated. What will west become? North, southeast. This is a southeast. Over, no? A man walks 5 kilometers towards south and then turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. Now in which direction is he with reference to the starting place? A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. South, and then turns to his right. For us is left. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left. Left, walks 5 kilometers. This is 5. Now in which direction is he with reference to the starting point? What happens? That is like south. Which direction? Southwest. See, the question is whether I write properly or not. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south, then turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left, walks 5 kilometers, right, that's it. Okay, it's over, that is fine. Thank you all. We shall assemble back again on Monday.